Welcome to the Great Garden channel. How can you encourage orchids to produce more buds, bloom simultaneously, and maintain long-lasting flowers throughout the season? In today's video, I'll share a simple yet effective orchid care method using familiar kitchen ingredients that are safe and suitable for both beginners and experienced orchid growers. This method helps stimulate strong and long-lasting root development in orchids, promotes continuous formation of new roots, and significantly improves nutrient absorption. Leaves become thicker, darker green, and glossier, with a stronger structure, resulting in more stable plant growth. Flower spikes grow vigorously, extending long and evenly. Flowers bloom simultaneously with vibrant color and high longevity, allowing the orchid pot to maintain its beauty for a longer time before fading. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any useful plant care tips. See you in the next videos on the Great Garden channel. First, prune away damaged or yellowing leaves, any soft or rotten parts, and roots that are dry or dead. Removing these parts promptly helps prevent the spread of pathogens. Improves air circulation around the plant and allows nutrients to be focused on healthy roots and leaves, helping the plant recover and grow more effectively. After that, you can apply a small amount of cinnamon powder directly to the cut surfaces on the plant. Cinnamon powder has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping the cuts dry quickly and limiting the entry of bacteria and fungi that cause rot. At the same time, this also supports better recovery after pruning, reduces the risk of infection, and helps the plant stabilize quickly so it can continue growing strong and healthy. Next, use clean water to rinse the plant thoroughly. This step helps wash away dust, salt buildup, and impurities still clinging to the leaves, roots, and growing medium, while evenly moistening the root zone before adding the nutrient solution. Proper rinsing helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively and reduces the risk of root shock during care. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After that, we'll move on to the main part of today's video. Do you have garlic at home? Garlic contains many natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, especially allicin, which helps inhibit harmful bacteria and reduce fungal diseases on roots and leaves. I use 3 cloves of garlic, as shown in the video. First, let's peel the garlic together. This helps remove the dry outer skin, allowing the natural active compounds in the garlic to be released more effectively, thereby enhancing its antibacterial action and helping protect the plant during care. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Next, use a knife to slice the garlic into thin pieces. Slicing the garlic thinly helps break down its structure, releasing natural antibacterial compounds, especially allicin, so it works more effectively when soaked and used on plants. After that, place all the sliced garlic into a clean glass. Finally, add about 500 milliliters of hot water, so the active compounds in the garlic can be gradually extracted. Cover the container and let the solution steep for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, once the garlic solution has cooled, I strain out the solids and keep only the cleared liquid. This liquid is exactly what we need. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After that, I use honey as the next ingredient. Honey contains many natural enzymes, trace minerals, and antibacterial compounds that help inhibit harmful microorganisms. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the strained garlic solution. Next, stir well until the honey is completely dissolved, allowing the nutrients to blend evenly and form a stable solution that is easy for plants to absorb. Finally, add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. That's it. We've now prepared a fertilizer for the plants in your garden. Let's start caring for them together. Method 1. Pour the diluted garlic and honey solution into a clean watering can. Then water slowly and evenly around the base of the orchid, so the solution gradually soaks into the growing medium. Avoid watering directly onto the flowers. Garlic contains many natural antibiotic compounds such as allicin, which help inhibit harmful fungi and bacteria, protect the root system, and effectively reduce root rot. Honey is rich in enzymes, minerals, and natural sugars, which stimulate the formation of new roots, nourish healthy root growth, and help the plant recover more quickly. The combination of garlic and honey helps balance the microbial environment in the growing medium and enhances nutrient uptake, resulting in thicker, glossy green leaves, stable growth, and orchids that are ready for the flowering stage. Method 2. Pour the garlic and honey solution into a clean glass. Next, soak a cotton pad or soft cloth in the diluted garlic and honey solution, then gently wipe both the upper and underside of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dust and long-standing residue, keeping the leaf surface clean and well ventilated, thereby supporting more efficient photosynthesis. Thanks to garlic's natural antibacterial properties and the beneficial enzymes in honey, orchid leaves are better protected, fungal diseases are limited, and the plant remains healthy with stable growth. It's recommended to clean the leaves about once a month, or whenever they accumulate a lot of dust, to keep the orchid pot consistently healthy, green, and visually appealing. Method 3. Pour the processed and diluted garlic and honey solution into a spray bottle. Then mist lightly and evenly over the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, and root area. This spraying method allows the natural compounds from garlic, combined with the enzymes and micronutrients in honey, to quickly come into contact with the plant's surface. Supporting foliar absorption similar to an indirect form of nutrient supplementation. As a result, orchids gain stronger resistance, reduced fungal and bacterial issues, and more balanced, stable development of roots, stems, and leaves. You can apply this method once or twice a month to maintain plant health and help orchids grow evenly and sustainably over time. Results after 2 months of application. After about 2 months of using the garlic and honey solution, the orchids show very clear improvements. The leaves become darker green, thicker and glossier, while new leaves grow vigorously, helping photosynthesis become more efficient. The root system recovers quickly with many new roots forming, green root tips, thick root bodies, and strong attachment to the growing medium, creating a solid foundation for nutrient uptake and long-term, stable growth. New shoots and flower spikes develop evenly, the stems become sturdy, and more buds appear, plump and healthy. When in bloom, the flowers retain their color well, last longer, and bloom successively, giving the orchid pot lasting beauty. What do you think about this natural plant care method using garlic and honey? Have you ever tried applying this method? Please share your thoughts and experience in the comments. This is truly a well-deserved result of patience and proper care. When nurtured correctly, plants respond with lasting vitality and refined beauty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.